Hello everyone. Today I am going to unbox some Republic F-105 Thunderchief kits. They're all here. As you can see, one of these is shrink wrapped. While the other one's not. This one I'm holding here is not shrink wrapped. Well, this one is shrink wrapped. I've been drooling over this kit when I was turning 19 years of age. And now I have the kit. I have both kits. So I could put Peach 91 up on my ceiling, along with that other version that I was offered. So yeah, I'm going to put Peach 901 up on my ceiling, along with the other version I was offered. And I'm sure most of you know what it is, for those who have built this kit before. Now this one, on the other hand, it's small. However, be advised that this Monogram 1-72 F-105G Wild Weasel will not be hung. Be advised that when construction progress comes around, that I'm not going to hang this model. You'd probably see decals on her right before you know it. I'm not saying that it will happen just yet, but be advised. So, I even have another F-105 Thunderchief here. Yes, another F-105 DT stick too. So let me get a picture of these very quick, and all should be good. Yeah. Well, let's see what we have here. Okay. Okay, I'll let you pause to read this. Hold it there. You may pause the video to read this if you like. Along with this one, along with this kit, the other one displays the same stuffs. Oh, I'm gonna read both. Alright guys, I gotta go. I'm out of time. See you around. Well, it's about time I take them out of the shrink wrap. I'm gonna start with the little one first. Just because I can. Okay. So that actually comes out of her shrink wrap. Let me tell you something about the F-105. I've built them before, the Revell versions. They're not that hard to build, for me anyway. I mean, they're fun. F-105 Thunderchieves are fun to build. So, about these Wild Weasel variants, the two-seater versions of the F-105s, I'm not so sure about them. I sure hope it's the same procedure as the other Revell F-105s, only differences with two seats. Now, with the unshrink wrap version, and I looked over the instructions on that one, and it says to cut off those triangular antennas on the front Oh, that's right, to make Peach 91. I'm a little nervous about that procedure. Actually, very nervous about that procedure. Ooh, we have the clear parts for this 1 to 72 F-105. She is so small. Yeah, so small. If any of you remember that cellular phone commercial from 2006 where this girl was arguing with her mother about something and she gets a new phone from her mother, here she says this, and I say the same thing about my F-105G Wild Weasel, made by Monogram. It's so small. I really like it. Yep, so small. Really, I do like it. Oh shoot. I think I have the small version of Peach 91. Or Peach 901, rather. We'll look over these instructions again. Please, instructions. Please tell me I have optional markings. And I do. If one side fails, then, or if one decal fails, or one of the versions do, I could always change versions. And once again, as you probably know, this little F-105 Thunderchief model I have here, it's not going to be hung. It's going to be used as a demonstration model, or training model, I call it, just like this F-86 Sabre here I built 3 years ago. This one's also going to be a training model. The unshrink wrap kit I'm just going to set aside for now. I'm just going to set this aside. The unshrink. Now I'm going to get the shrink wrapped. Another F-105 T-stick too. Okay, as I open this one, originally I had gotten another Revell F-105 Thunderchief 2 years ago. And the version I chose was the Arkansas Traveler. She's right up on my ceiling. Let me see. She's right up there somewhere. There are two F-105s. She's right up there. Oh, shoot. There you go. Now, I'm gonna record me. I'm gonna open this up. That's where I built Republic F-105 Thunderchieves before. Was from the original kit I received. It was meant to be my 19th DOB present, but it was late. Now that F-8 Crusader model that you might have seen up there, that one came just in time for my birthday. Or for my 19th birthday, that is. I was able to open it. during my party, of course. I wish I'd recorded myself doing it, which I might do, actually, this year. I mean, I might get some models. I mean, who knows what I get. I might as well record myself during the party. Well, let's see, what do we have here? Let's see. And there's the F-105 Thunderchief. It looks like the same kit I had before. Only difference is, with my first F-105 Thunderchief, it was modeled in olive drab, then light gray. Or did I say that right? I mean, it was, correction, it was olive drab instead of light gray. So now, we are going to open her up. Fuselage halves. If I put these halves together, you know, and not put the nose on here, she will look like an F-100 Super Saber. This plane here, as you can see. We'll take these off. And come on, get in there. Voila. See that? She looks like an F-100 Super Saber. These are the instructions that come with it. And this one right here with the MF on the tail, that's the version I'm going to be building. I already have the top one up here, the TH. Which will be, of course, the Tango Hotel. So I'm going to do the Mike Foxtrot, as you can see, right there. My finger's covering it. And now, these are the instructions. I mean, I could build kits without instructions. However, I just choose to use them. Last but not least, the last F-105 F and G Thunderchief Wild Weasel. So now, I'm going to open it. There's already a slit in the back, so I'm going to open it from here. Guess that's how it was shipped. Now, both of these were bought from both of these were purchased from eBay and Amazon. Please excuse my mirroring and talking. I'm just excited to open these kits. Ooh, this is brand new. It feels good to hold a brand new model in the shrink wrap. And now, right here, we'll open her up. Oh no. The clear parts were not secured right. Oh no. Oh no. It's alright. I'll merge these somehow. Not murder, but merge. Maybe with the rest of the parts. Okay. Instructions. A kit must come with instructions. And here it is. Peach 91 is right here. And of course the decals are right here. And what did I just hold? It's a book. Well, you guys gotta go. I'm over time. See you around. Alright guys, I gotta go. I'm out of time. See you around.